Window decals are a fun way to decorate for holidays. Adhesive vinyl is extremely versatile and fairly inexpensive. Let me show you how I created these Halloween window decals. My name is Ruth, and this is Hank's Maker Mentor. First, you'll need to measure your windows, keeping in mind if they need to open and might rub the vinyl, and any framing that might obstruct. After you have the measurements, open Design Space. I used basic shapes and the guide operation to make a template of the area I had to decorate. I'm using images I've uploaded and I'm linking them in the description below, but you can also use your own images, search Cricut images. Around the holidays, they normally have a variety of free designs that you can use. But if you like it, make it while it's free. Putting it in a project does not keep it free. When you're using designs that should face a specific direction, like letters or words, you need to think about if they'll be on the inside or the outside of the window, and who do you want them to face correctly for. With my Happy Halloween, I want it to be read from outside the house, but I'm applying the vinyl to the inside of the window. For the adhesive to hold onto the window and be able to read from the outside, I need to flip my design horizontally, which is the same idea as mirroring it on the prepare screen. But if I do it now, I don't have to try and remember later. I moved my layers around to get them to fit more efficiently, and then I attach them. I'm working on using up my stash of vinyl, so the black I'm using is Caesar chalkboard vinyl, and the orange is Oracal 651. They have different cut settings, and I'll make sure to select the proper setting for each one. We'll let these cut, and then we'll weed them. Moving on to applying them. We need to clean the windows the decals are going on. I'm using rubbing alcohol and a shop cloth so I don't leave lint on the window. The cleaner, smoother, and shinier your surface, the better the vinyl will stick. I'm taking these down in a few weeks, so I'm not worried about them lasting. While applying the vinyl, I realized it was more important than I expected to wipe down the window sill itself because my transfer tape tapped it multiple times during this process. I'm using Caesar transfer tape. This came as a 12 by 12 sheet. I pulled out a few, but since you can reuse transfer tape, I'm going to see if I need more than one. Applying vinyl to a window uses the same process as applying vinyl to other blanks. You place the transfer tape on the vinyl, burnish it, remove the backing, apply it to your surface, burnish again, and remove the transfer tape. I started in the top left corner because I can pull away from the decal, leaving the transfer tape nearly on top of the window. This helps prevent the vinyl from lifting and makes it easier to reapply in the correct position if it does lift. If your designs are not sticking to your transfer tape, get a new piece or try a tackier brand of transfer tape. If the vinyl is staying on your transfer tape instead of on your blank when you try to apply it, use less tacky transfer tape. They sell different levels, but you can also blot the transfer tape on something like a clean cotton shirt or pillowcase to reduce the tackiness. After applying all the larger decals, I placed all the remaining decals on the transfer tape, then cut them apart so they were easier to handle. It also prevented me from reusing the same corner of transfer tape for every decal. I could have used another sheet, but this was an interesting challenge. If the last items were difficult, I would have just gotten another piece of transfer tape. But I'll be honest, I'm excited I was able to do both windows with the same sheet of transfer tape. This is what it looked like at night. You can see that the Happy Halloween is legible from outside like I wanted. This was so quick and fun. I spent more time trying to get decent pictures of the windows than I did actually having to work on applying the vinyl. If I had been using StarCraft HD vinyl that I would normally use for a project like this would have been less than $3 worth of vinyl. Thanks so much for watching Hank's Maker Mentor, and until next time, bye.